whatever it is, we are saying there must be ceasefire now. Okay, you hold your horses, they hold their horses, no more fights. What you need to do now, the ball is in your court as the president of football in this country. Reach out to them. They will be available. Sit down with them. Agree with them on what is the way forward about the football issues and what lies ahead of you.
Ile attitude ya kama haikubaliki vile sisi tunapenda ipotee kwa sisi wote. That is a bad attitude. Go have that meeting now, and then you draw the lines, give and take, so that you come together. And then within a month, you decide to withdraw the case. So if you need our help thereafter, our doors are open.